You're ready for contestant number 1 from Rolling Hills, Rolling Tones.
Ooh, we're here together in this place, gathered round the fireplace, and soon we'll all sing Auld Lang Syne and touch this sentimental heart of mine. Although we go our separate ways, we'll share the memory of this day. I wish I may, I wish I might have this wish I wish for you tonight. May you always walk in sunshine, slumber warm when night winds glow. May you always live with laughter, for a smile becomes you so. May good fortune find your doorway. May the bluebird sing your song. May no troubles travel your way. May no worries stay too long. May your heartaches be forgotten. May no tears be spilled. May old acquaintance be remembered, and your cup of kindness filled. May you always be a dreamer. Ooh, may your wildest dreams come true. May you find someone to love as much as I love you. May you find someone to love as much as I love you. I love you. Never really thought it could happen to a girl like me. Gosh, oh, seems so contradictory, like a bit of abracadabra, magicality. Presto, change, oh, see a different me. I made it to heaven, beyond paradise. The moment I saw your eyes, your adorable eyes, a roll of a 7, a lucky surprise. The moment I saw your eyes, friends are staring, mumbling, swearing, who the heck is she? Once was acting down and under, now she's moving out like thunder. Well, when did it happen? I'm telling no lies. The moment I saw your eyes. I'm hot to handle, human candle. Take a look at me. To explain, my brain's on fire, and the flame is burning higher. Well, when did it happen? I'm telling no lies. The moment I saw your eyes, oh those eyes. Never really thought I'd fall till I saw your eyes. I made it to heaven, beyond paradise, the moment I saw